Network access control encompasses various types and approaches to controlling access to a network. These types can be categorized based on their deployment models, enforcement mechanisms, or focus areas. Here are some common types of network access control. Endpoint-based NAC. Agent-based NAC requires the installation of software agents on endpoint devices. These agents assess the security posture of the device and enforce policies. Agentless NAC relies on existing capabilities of endpoint devices to assess their security status without requiring the installation of additional agents. Network-based NAC. Inline NAC monitors and controls network traffic by sitting in line with the network infrastructure. It can enforce policies by blocking or allowing traffic in real time. Out-of-band NAC monitors network traffic passively and enforces policies by interacting with other networking components or security devices. Posture assessment NAC evaluates the security posture of endpoint devices before granting access. This may include checking for up-to-date antivirus definitions, operating system patches, and other security measures. Role-based NAC. Access is granted based on the role or responsibilities of the user or device. Role-based access control principles are often applied to determine the level of access. Policy enforcement NAC enforces access policies that define the rules and conditions for allowing or denying access. Policies may consider factors such as user identity, device type, and security posture. Guest NAC specifically designed to manage and control guest access to a network. It allows guests to connect to a separate network segment with restricted access while maintaining security. Cloud-based NAC leverages cloud services for the management and enforcement of access control policies. This is particularly useful for organizations with distributed or remote workforces. Hybrid NAC combines multiple NAC approaches to provide a comprehensive and flexible solution. For example, a combination of endpoint-based and network-based NAC for enhanced security. Dynamic NAC adapts access policies dynamically based on changing conditions in the network or the security posture of endpoint devices. The choice of NAC type depends on the specific requirements, infrastructure, and security policies of an organization. Many deployments may use a combination of these types to achieve a robust and effective network access control strategy.